Welcome back to DAX Guides for Text Functions. Justin here from Pragmatic Works. And we're going to look at the REPT function. This is short for repeat. So what the REPT function does is it creates a string a certain number of times. The syntax is REPT equals the text in question and then the number of times. The return is the source string of text repeated however number of times we've indicated. This REPT function would be useful to enhance visuals that would otherwise display as lackluster. So for example, if we wanted to see progress bars or stars in our visuals, this is a common use case for the REPT function. Let's head over to our Power BI report and take a look at a use case scenario. All right, here we are on our REPT page in our Power BI report. So let's go to table view and take a look at our sample data set here. So we're on the text functions demo data set. And I have a rating column here. And I would like to zero in on that rating column. Let me make a new column called star rating, and then I can go from there. So new column, we'll call this star rating instead of just rating. And we will use this function REPT. It's going to fill a cell with a number of instances of a text string. So what I would want to do here first is just to show you like a hard code here. I'm going to repeat text. I'm going to repeat a dash 10 times. Okay, so I'm just showing you this to get an idea of how this works. So I have this new column here that is repeating a dash 10 times, right? Now that is not, I don't see a real possibility for a true need there, but I did want to show you how it works. Okay, so now I'm going to use, in combination with REPT, I'm going to use Unicar, and this returns the Unicode character. And I have a separate module on Unicar and Unicode as well later in this course, but basically what this does, it allows me to access to hundreds of thousands of characters, and I just need to look up the number. And I looked up the number for a star Unicode character is 9733. And so I'm going to insert that there. Again, I cover Unicar in a different module, but it's pretty basic. You just need to look up the corresponding number, and you can do just a Google search for that if you'd like. The number of times we want to repeat is going to be based on something. So I want it to be based on the rating, the 1 through 4 or 5 rating that I have in my column there. Let's hit enter here. And we can see that we're inserting that star into this star rating here. So there are a couple different stars. I could use 9744 as a different kind of star or a different kind of character, excuse me. But 9733 I know is the star that I want. So I think 9734 is a similar star. There we go. 9734 is a similar star, but I'll go with 9733, that solid star. Let's go to our visual, and actually, let's do this first. Let's make sure that our new star rating column is sorting by the rating category. All right, so then we make sure that one is sorting by the other. Then we'll head over to our report view and insert a, let's start with a table, and then we'll do something else after that. So on this table, I'm going to bring in, let's see, the product code perhaps. Let's go product code, and then let's go with rating, and then star rating. So we can see that if the product has a rating of 4, I'm returning 4 stars. 2 is returning 2 stars, and so on and so forth. What I could do is make rating here the average, so that I don't sum anything up. Then let's see. It looks like it's working here just fine. So let's just repeat this. Control C, Control V, and then let's turn this into a column chart. And maybe we want to turn this into a clustered column chart. No, let's leave it. Let's leave it here. So we can see our different products and the number of stars they receive. So we have star rating in the legend currently. So a couple of different ways to use the REPT We did the hard code at first just to return the column with all dashes, 10 of them, but that's not a practical use case. So this in particular might be more of a use case scenario to replace in a visual way the number of the rating with the actual stars. So this looks good, and we'll head over to our next module. I'll see you there.